everyone, this is John and we are back in the basement and I have a little piggy here and we are going to show you guys some of the items that we sold. And what's really super cool about this video is I'm not the only one that sold stuff. Guess who sold some stuff? Frances. She has like 3 or 4 items that she sold on her eBay account and we're super stoked about that. So the first item that we're going to show you guys is, what is it, Frances?
It's Lightning McQueen.
It's Lightning McQueen. Pow-pow-pow. It's Lightning McQueen. Chow, chow, chow. Ka-chow. That's it. Ka-chow. It's Lightning McQueen. It's a slot car. And it is, how much does it sell for?
15 plus shipping.
15 plus shipping. I don't even know where I picked it up at, but I'm sure I didn't pay much for it. But that's $15. Sweet. We've had this thing listed forever and a day, and it finally sold. I think we probably had it listed since like 2018 or something like that. How much did it sell for?
30 plus shipping.
$30 plus shipping. It took a long time to get that 30 bucks, but we're gonna spend that. We've got that earmarked. We're gonna spend it on what, Pig? We're gonna spend it on Chinese food, or maybe Mexican.
Chinese food.
Mexican. What's that next item?
Well, this person bought this and this.
Yeah, they want them shipped together, so that's what's the funny part is like they picked up this really cute, delicate brooch, and then this really heavy cast iron rooster. And what's going to happen when they do that, Jude? If you ship these two in the same box, what happens?
Break.
They get braked, and he knows, and he's in 3rd grade. So that's pretty good. How much did we sell the rooster for?
2nd grade.
2nd grade.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, we don't know what grade our kids are in. We're supposed to know those things.
The rooster's $8.86. The brooch is $5.30.
So 8 and 5.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to like kind of attach it there.
See?
Like, so it won't move.
She's smart. She's going to put the brooch inside the rooster, not in the rooster, but on the back of the rooster. Rooster, they don't have places where eggs come out, so we're not going to get into chicken anatomy. So what's the next item that we got?
Captain Marvel.
We've got a Captain Marvel figure here, one of the worst Avengers movies of all time. How much did it sell for?
$10 plus shipping.
But we'll take the $10 plus shipping. That's pretty nice. We've got a hat here. It is a American Tractor Museum. Love hats. How much do we sell it for?
10 plus shipping.
$10 plus shipping.
We have this.
Woo, this is a good one right here. We have this Child's Play 3 Chucky Goes Ballistic book. It's all nice and wrapped up. Really cool book. How much do you think it sold for? I want you to pause the video, go down below. I want you to type in how much it sold for. How much you think this sold for, Judah?
Don't look.
Don't look.
Cheating.
Don't cheat. How much you think it sold for? If you had to buy this, look, there's a family resemblance. If you had to buy this, what would you pay for it? Would you pay $5 for it? Would you pay $5 for it? Or would you pay $20? No, he wouldn't pay $20, but someone paid how much, Megan?
$80. Or no, $90.
$90 for that. Look, that's Judah.
$89.95.
If Judah had red hair, we'd say, "My name's Judah. Want to play?" Anyways, so we sold that for $90. That's super cool. Found that in a storage locker, and we're happy that it's going on to a good home. Woo! The next thing that we have for sale here is one of these beautiful glass, what do they call these, swung vases or whatever. It's got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different, they call them like antlers or something like that. Absolutely beautiful. And it sold for how much?
25 plus shipping.
25 plus shipping. I had it listed for 30, but I did a quick sale on it for 25. And I think I paid like $3 for it at auction, so sweet. Okay, the next item that we have here is an Atari game that a buddy of mine named Dustin, he brought me some stuff in, and I traded him a whole tote of Atari and vintage G.I. Joe stuff for a Nintendo 64. I didn't know that the G.I. Joe stuff was at the bottom, but I thought it was all Atari stuff. But I ended up getting this. It does have a little damage here. It's Chuck Norris Super Kicks. Pretty cool. How much did it sell for?
$18 plus shipping.
$18 plus shipping. And then the other one that we have here is Atari. It's by Activision. These are all in really good shape. The paper on them are really nice. And this is Activision River Raid. It didn't sell for as much. I think it was like, what, $4.50?
$4.
$4 plus shipping on top. And that's okay because I love selling those Atari games. So I don't mind like selling them cheap. But that's fine. Next item that we have here is a Snap-on hat. That's pretty expensive. That's a pretty expensive hat. If you've ever owned anything Snap-on, that name makes it worth a bunch of money. And we sold it for how much?
$10.46.
$10.46 plus shipping. And then we have...
That's our last thing for that, but we did have a...
viewer sale. We have a buddy that, his name's Eric, and he is a YouTuber. And if I remember, I'll put his YouTube channel up on here. And he bought a Star Wars book from me.
A Mad Magazine.
A Mad Magazine.
I already shipped it out this morning. So
and it's gone. He paid $2.99 plus $3.95 shipping. And I appreciate it very much, Eric. You're a good friend of the channel.
He left you a
Oh,
note.
he did. And you're probably going to have to read it. Well, let me see if I can read it. I ain't got my glasses on. It says, "Hey, John and Francis. Love the channel on YouTube. Can't wait to get this Mad Magazine. Hoping to get to 1,000 subs someday. Eric, the reseller." And we'll throw up his username here on the channel, or I'll link it down below and pin it as the pinned comment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. I'll be right back with more. Okay, so we do have a couple of items that Megan sold, so we're going to look at those real quick. The first items that she sold is a couple of books. These really nice books. They're American Girl books. And how much did they sell for?
They sold for $10 plus shipping.
$10 plus shipping. We picked these up the other day, and she already sold them. Pretty amazing. Okay, the next item that we have here is something that she had sitting on her desk for a while. It's a little ceramic kitty cat, and you put your chewed bubble gum right there. And it sits there, you put your gum on there, and then you can chew it again later. How much did it sell for?
$8 plus shipping.
$8 plus shipping. That's kind of a weird thing, but we'll go with it. And the next item that we sold, we picked this up. I actually found it, but gave it to her.
I found it. It was on the shelf, and I grabbed it, and you got like
oh yeah, that is
upset with
that
me
is.
that I
See,
found
it's weird how things like that happen, because that's not the way I remembered it. But I think
I
that
saw
once
it and I grabbed it, and I go, "What's this?" And you said something like, "Oh, you something," or you called me a name.
Yeah.
I found it first.
Anyways, maybe that is what happened. But I've been finding a lot of stuff lately and been like swinging some stuff her way.
He has.
Because I want her to be a successful eBay seller. But she found this leather-covered wolf. And how much did it sell for?
It sold for $30. It's not paid for yet, but I'm pretty sure they're going to pay for it.
Yeah, it's sold for $30. It's not paid for yet. How much did you pay for it?
$3.
So that's not too bad. She's already an expert. She said that she couldn't figure out what sells on eBay. And I'm like, honey, you've shipped $1 million worth of stuff on eBay. You probably know what sells. And it turns out that she is pretty good at it. She's trying to break into a bag back here.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh, I remember that. You were going to give this to the dog.
We have 2 of them, actually.
Yeah, well, she bought this Pluto little egg. And how much did it sell for?
I think $12 plus shipping.
$12 plus shipping. The next time we do this, we're going to put her in front of the camera, but today she didn't have any makeup on. So
and I'm wearing my glasses,
and she's
so
wearing
I
her
got the weird reflection.
wearing her glasses.
Yeah.
So I said, I'll do this, but in the future, if you guys buy from her, she'll be the one in front of the camera doing all the talking, and we know that that's going to be interesting. So we hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you would, go down below and like my channel. Be sure to check out Eric's channel, and be sure to subscribe to both of us. So that would be awesome. Thank you for watching. God bless you guys. Keep on digging and keep on picking. And as always, remember, the family that picks together, what do they do, Pig?
Sticks together.
They sticks together. God bless you guys.